Nevada Art Printers Mastering Fine Art Printmaking Workshop with Robert Park and I. Taking a little break. Oh, whoa, you should see this thing. Absolutely amazing. If you go to the Carnivale Gallery in Caesar's Palace, he has an image that was taken with the Nikon D810 and is 106 inches long. You can put your nose on the print and it looks like reality. It looks just like large format. Unbelievable. About 20 people. And Robert and I are just going back and forth on our teaching. Are you guys learning anything?
A couple things. A little, but maybe a master layer. Maybe you know another.